no sense.
I need all my money, woman. And I'm done with your sister. You ladies took me for a fool.
Oh my God. You know, Darlady, you are so funny. You're here asking for your money? Demanding for money after you have defiled and raped my sister. You gave her infections back to back. You're here demanding, what money are you asking for? What are you asking for?
Now I get it. You think you're smart. One thing you don't know, this house is still in my name.
Oh, please.
You're going to lose this house and I need my 3 million naira. If not, I will disgrace you in this Lagos. I won't fight you, but you'll cry blood.
Look at who is talking. An ex-convict. An ex-convict who still pimps girls in Libya. You think I don't know you? Where is Yetunde? Ireti? Chichi? Should I go on? Listen, bro, I have your records, okay? I have video evidences. Wait, what do you do for a living again? Remind me. What do you do for a living? You see, bloggers are going to feast on you. When they hear Yetunde's family side of the story, how you pay them 20 million naira to keep them silent. You don't want to mess with me. I work with the DSS, okay? So I have your full story. Go ask Prince Ara. Does that name ring a bell to you? I know your whole circle, so do not mess with me. I'll fuck you up in this Lagos. Nonsense.
This big ocean is too big for a small ship.
Oh, please, try me. Try me. Go ask Prince Ara about stubborn Claron. See, you do not want to mess with me. If you hate yourself, I will cripple you with self-defense. Go ask about me. Leave.
You have 2 days.
Get out of this place.
Just 2 days. If not, you will feel the heat.
Get out of this place. I don't even know who let you in. Get out.
I am so done with you, fool.
Oh, you are the bigger fool. Get out. Leave. Nonsense. Who even let you in into this place? Who let you in? See your life? You see your life? You see your life?
Choose Neo Glamour TV. Choose the best African entertainment just at the tip of your finger.
Baby, I love you so much. I love you, baby.
Why are you stopping now? Continue. No, Shebi, he's sweet now. Bro, shut up and do what you were doing. Continue.
Stop.
I should put my phone down.
Stop recording us.
I should stop. Go and do what you were doing.
Put the phone down. Put the phone down.
Don't be mad.
I'm sorry. You know what? You throw charm on me. I'm sorry.
Charm on you.
Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me.
Carry your man. Come and carry your man.
Please, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry.
I went through your statement. Would you like a drink? Or a steak?
This is a waste of time.
I've seen your videos. You know, the judge doesn't care the psychological trauma that you go through seeing the woman you want to marry in bed with another man. It's terrible. Cheating is devastating. You know, once I caught my man in bed with my maid. Do you want to know what I did? I put a bullet through his head. But he got lucky.
Whatever I did, it was not my intention. How would I know that a punch would kill a man?
Yeah, that's why they are reconsidering your case. Attempted murder. That's what they want to call it. Self-defense. Well, my boss says you are free to go. The case has been dropped. Yeah, we apologize for putting you through this stress. Okay. You're free to go.
So who's going to take these chains off me?
I'll take them off. Do you want a drink, or you can feel free to drink and smoke?
I'll have a steak.
Okay. But mind you, smokers are liable to die young.
Some dog ain't dead.
Hey neighbor. Hi. Is he even okay? Nobody, no one ignores Ivy. What's wrong with him?
Yeah, who is it? Sonia, what the hell are you doing here?
I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry, I know I've caused you a lot, but please forgive me.
I don't want to hear rubbish. Just get out.
Please forgive me.
Get out of my compound!
He charmed me, please. I'm sorry.
Are you deaf?
Please.
I said get out of my compound. Do you want me to call the police on you?
Please, I'm sorry. Please.
Get out! Leave now!
I'm sorry, please.
Jesus, girl, you don't want to hear what I've asked you to leave. I'm so sorry. I thought you were someone else. I'm sorry. Please come in. Please come in. Let's clean. I'm sorry. I thought you were someone else.
Oh my
I'm so
God.
sorry. I'm so sorry.
Are you okay? What's eating you up? You don't respond to anyone nor greet anybody. And it's not normal.
Like I said, I'm sorry. It wasn't intentional. I thought it was... Never mind. What were you doing at my door?
I came to know the reason why you've been ignoring me. This is not the first, not the second time. And besides, I saw a lady crying at the front of your door. I tried to ask her what happened, but she ignored me. And it's not like it's my business, but as a good neighbor.
That was my ex. She cheated on me.
Oh.
We were supposed to get married. I went on a short trip only for me to come back and catch her on my bed with another man.
Oh my goodness. Are you serious? I'm so sorry. Now I know the reason why you've been behaving the way you've been. I'm so sorry, okay? See, stop crying. She don't want your tears, okay? Don't let her make you cry. She don't want it, okay?
Thank
That's
you.
so her loss. She lost you already, okay?
Yeah.
Just let me take care of you. Give me the chance to take care of you.
Thanks, Bob. This is not what I need right now. I just need to be on my own and figure out my life. Know what I'm doing.
You know what? I'm not trying to force myself on you. You can always call me when you need anything, okay? I'll be here for you. I'll be here to respond to you at any time, okay? Just let me take care of you. Let me show you how much I love you. I really care about you. Please.
Thank you. I'll leave this to you.
Thank you. Why did you call me? Have you considered my love offer?
Wait.
Have you considered to be my boyfriend? I know you can resist me.
Wait, we're out of it, right?
Yeah.
So I'll just go straight to the point.
Okay.
We can be friends with benefits, but nothing more. No emotions attached.
Wait. Am I not sexy? Am I not sexy enough? Look at me, no man resists me. Okay? So you mean you just want us to be having sex and no love attached? See, I'm a fucking lover girl. And psychologically, you need love. That's all you need.
Just neighbors with benefits because we're both single. If you're not single, you can leave right now. I don't want to scatter any relationship.
Do you see me as a whore? Huh? Do you see me as one local whore? See, I love you. I'm a lover girl. I'm a certified lover girl. I just want love. Just give me the chance to prove how much I love you. Okay? Psychologically, you need love. And you need love from me.
You talk too much.
Hey. Hi. How are you? How was your night? Slept well? Hi. Hello. No matter what you do, I will make you fall in love with me. Nobody, no one sleeps with me and goes scot-free. We will date, okay? Don't worry yourself, baby boo. You have started my well and you will drink my water, okay?
Sis, why are you looking at me like that? What is going on between you and Dan Lajin?
How? What do you mean?
See, in this Lagos, if you like, keep your face anyhow. I will tell you what I have to tell you. In this Lagos, you cannot depend on one source of income. Do you understand me? You need to have backup, several backup in fact. And in this case, Danladi is our backup plan. Okay? I know the stress I went through to make him fall in love with you helplessly like this. So please don't make me feel stupid by treating him like trash.
Sis.
You will be nice to him. I don't want to lose all of this that we have because of your bad attitude and character.
Sis.
Yes.
Read my lips. I do not feel anything for Danladi. He's not my type. That man is a chronic womanizer. I don't see any future with him. I don't feel him at all.
You will start feeling him. You will start feeling this relationship. That's what I'm telling you. God, do you know that this house that we live in, he pays for it? The car that we drive, he gave it to us. He moved us from trenches to the island. Have you forgotten that?
I didn't ask for all this, did I?
Oh, you didn't ask for all this. So why did you not stay back? Why did you move to Lekki with me? No, you should have stayed in Face Me and Face You now. No, you should have not. You shouldn't drive the car. In fact, from today onwards, do not drive the car. You didn't ask for all of this.
Sis, you're beginning to sound very weird. Though. It's as if you pimped me for a luxury lifestyle just because Danladi is paying for it.
Listen, it's like you're not understanding what I'm trying to tell you. You don't understand. Okay, let me make it clearer to you. This is Nigeria. Day by day, Nigeria is getting very harsh. It's getting very hard. The economy is hard. Do you understand? I have a job, yes, but my job, let me tell you the truth, it cannot sustain us. I don't take bribe. This lavish lifestyle that we're living here in Lekki, we will not be able to afford it without Danladi. You will not start paying. Can you pay Lekki rent?
Sis, I can afford for the both of us, with or without Danladi.
Oh, how? With this small pop that you bake and sell, there's not even up to 500 naira each. Oh, please, talk another thing. What is wrong with you? Huh?
Anyway, sis, I'll try to talk to him, but I'm not promising.
Hey, please, you will try very well, please. Except you want to go back to Face Me and Face You. You will try and be nice to him. He is our bag, our money bag, our gateway to riches. Until we've established ourselves, then we can say, okay, bye-bye to Danladi. But for now, you behave yourself and be nice to him.
Sis, I'm trying my best to do something. You also work. We can contribute together and also find a side hustle.
This girl that my mother gave me and just left me with her, she does not hear a word. Yes, what you just said now is intelligent, very well and good. But still, we need to secure Danladi's money. His money comes in bulk. You cannot compare it to any side hustle that you want to do in this life. That's all I'm saying. Let's just secure him. Okay?
Alright. It's fine.
So you act nice to him. Promise.
I said I'll try. I'm not promising. I was washing the place when you came in.
Hey! My super duper sweet sugar guy. The only one approved, permitted to love my one and only sister. Please, I am sorry. I apologize on her behalf for her bad attitude and mood swings. She just even didn't know how to handle it well. She was just having mood swings, okay? Please, I am sorry. I apologize on her behalf. Please, forgive her. You know these kids now. Yes, she just finished baking. She has this talent for baking. Her meat pies are out of this world. You should come have a taste. Yes. Yes. Oh, you don't need my permission to do that. Please just come right away. Okay. You're coming. See you soon. See you soon. Thank you so much for understanding. You are the best. The very best. See you soon. Okay. Okay. All right. Bye. I don't know what is wrong with this girl. Evelyn!
Angel of my life, hope your day was cool. Looking forward to behold your beautiful smiles again, my crush, man of my moment. To us.
Thanks for the drink.
You're welcome.
But you know we're not in a relationship. You don't have to keep sending me gifts every day.
Tyrone, you made your demand, and I never argued or negotiated with you. Just allow me to express myself to you. Let me show you how I feel. Don't let your past ruin your present. We both deserve love. Okay, just give me a chance. I promise you won't regret it. Please.
Okay, but can we stick to the agreement? The truth is, I'm not ready for commitment. Friends with benefits works for me. If it doesn't work for you, then let's just stop.
I'm hungry. Did you cook?
No.
I made fried rice. Should I go get to eat?
I mean, I don't mind trying your food. Let's see if your cooking is as good as you taste.
See, in fact, I'm a born chef.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I'm not just good in bed. I'm also a born chef. I know how to cook very well. Very, very well.
All right. We'll find out. We'll get it.
Okay.
Oh, look who we have here! The youngest Alakija in town. Young money, cash money. That is you.
With praises.
Of course. Oh my God, you are looking so expensive. Look at your shades. Oh
Designers,
my God.
my dear.
I know.
Expensive.
Yes.
Oh, designers.
I can see. Ooh. Wait, what's that smell? That expensive, exquisite smell. You smell gorgeous.
I like that phrase.
Yes.
Expensive.
You smell expensive.
You know, my money announces me anytime I walk in.
We need to be touching that money.
By the way, where's my soft angel?
She's right here.
Come on, let me go see her.
Yeah, you should.
Thank you.
My sweet loving in-law. Oh God. My 3 million naira. Oh.
Hello, my sweet soft angel. The one that warms my heart. Where are you?
Who is there?
You don't recognize the voice of your love? The youngest Alakija. Sexy doll. Am I not blessed to have such a wonderful, beautiful, young, beautiful girl to myself? I've really missed you.
Not now. You just came in. Not now, please. Let's sit.
Come on, I don't understand. Must you regulate when and how I kiss my girl?
I know you. From kissing, you go down and you start touching me. So,
And what is wrong with wanting to touch you? Do you even love me, the youngest Alakija?
what kind of question is that? Are you doubting my love for you?
Of course, because this body language of yours is no longer necessary. You always pick up a fight over flimsy things. I can't go where I'm being regulated. You can't always want to do this to me. It doesn't make sense.
I'm not fighting with you. All I asked for was just for you to sit down so we can have conversation like normal human beings.
You know, I'd rather go where I'm celebrated than where I'm being regulated. It was a total mistake coming here. And I will never come back to this house again.
I wish. Look at him. He's thinking I'm dying to be with him.
My in-law.
Your sister is really taking me for a ride.
What happened?
I cannot be conditioned by a little girl that I love so much. Dan Ladi is too big to be harassed emotionally. I cannot be ridiculed.
Oh, please calm down. Calm down and tell me what exactly happened. What did she do?
Why not ask your selfish self-acclaimed beauty queen of a sister? If she does not want to befriend me, she should let me know. I cannot be harassed.
See, please.
I cannot take this any longer.
Please, calm. Let me speak to her. Let me calm down. Let me speak to her. Evelyn! Oh, God, what is this girl doing this time? Evelyn!
I gave you reasons. I begged you. What did you say to him this time?
Sis, I am not a pay-as-you-go girl. Just imagine, he walked in here and saw me half naked. And all he could think of was sex. Sex. Why couldn't he just sit and let's have a conversation like normal human beings? But no, he saw me half naked and all he could think of was sex. Sex! Am I a prostitute? Anyways, he left. And he said he won't come back. Good for me.
Danladi ends this relationship, I will not forgive you. Do you hear me? So what if he asks you for sex? Why can't you just go on and make love to him for peace to reign? What is there? Must I teach you everything? Must I teach you how to handle a man and satisfy him and hold him down? God, this is a man that sustains us. He pays our bills. In fact, this house, he pays for it. What is wrong with you?
Sis, I respect you enough. Please do not misuse me. Right. Or else I will leave this house for you. I'm your sister, for crying out loud. For what? Just because he promised you something? You don't even care about my emotions, do you? I can't continue to pretend to love a man that I do not care about. Please.
Listen, I am so pissed with you. In case you do not know that I am so pissed with you, you better fix this or I fix you.
Sis, I am your sister, for crying out loud. Are you not even concerned if he will get me pregnant or better still, infect me with a terminal disease? Oh, obviously, I am sure I am not the only girl he sleeps with. Just, sis. Before you came in, I was about to go into bed. Please leave my room.
You will fix this. Like I said, you will fix it. Else, I will fix you.
Leave my
Mend
room.
it.
Leave it.
God, my 3 million naira! God!
What the hell?
Yeah, come in. I have a package from Madam Ivy.
Madam Ivy?
Yes.
For who?
From Mr. Taiwan.
Okay, that will be me.
Okay. Please sign here.
What is this?
A package from Mr. Taiwan. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Food. What's wrong with this girl? Why is she doing more than we agreed?
This friend will benefit him, I stop. Oh.
This guy is not even picking my calls at all. He's not responding to my messages. He's not returning my calls. What is going on? Oh, God. My 3 million naira. I don't know what is wrong with Evelyn. I don't know what is wrong with Evelyn, for goodness sake. Eh? No, Danland is not even taking my calls. What kind of thing is this? This girl. Oh.
I'm so tired and hungry. Did you cook anything?
Did I cook anything? No, it's your head that I use in cooking the food now. Did you keep anything in the house? It's over 2 weeks now. Danladin has not stepped his foot into this house. He hasn't been to this house. Only because of you. You! Your attitude towards him. Now he's not taking my calls. He's not picking my calls. He's not even returning them. He's not even reading my messages.
Sis, what kind of thing is this now? Why are you looking for my trouble? What is
me,
it?
I'm looking for your trouble. You are the problem. You are the problem. You're the one who is looking for my trouble. In fact, you're the only problem that we have in this life. No, you come and eat me. It's my breast that you come and use my breast. That you come and suck it. As if you can. It's like you don't know there's no money. There's no money, oh. There's no money. If you know what is good for you, if you want peace to reign in this house, you will go and bring that man back. You will go and look for Danladi where he is. Bring him back to this house and settle with him. Do you understand me?
Danladi. Hey, sis, it's Danladi now. He will come back. Just relax, chill. I know him. He will come back.
When? When is he going to call back? It's over 2 weeks now. In case you don't know, I don't have money. Oh. Hunger. Oh. Sofa no dey tire you. It be like say Sofa no dey tire you. You know they tire you, Abi. See this man that was supposed to give me 3 million naira. Eh? 3 million naira. He was just at the verge of giving me that money. And that money was supposed to be my cash out for my next move. He just went and spoiled everything. With your coconut head. I don't know the magic that is wrong with you. I forbid you to walk out on me. Do not walk out on me. Don't walk out on me. I'm saying something. You want to get up and leave. Where did you see the money? Eh? Where did you see? You don't know the economy is hard. I'll see what you will eat. No, you will eat me. It's me that you will eat. No, hunger never even catch you. You don't even understand. Hunger never reach your side. Okay. He just sent me a message. I don't call him tired. This is the only message he sent it to me. Read it. He's coming to pick his car tomorrow morning. I said it. You have put us in trouble. No car. See you. By the time you will trek on the road, selling that your puff or beans, whatever you're selling, you're baking and you're selling. It's the sun that will reset your head. You better go and bring that man back and settle with him, oh. If you want peace to reign, if you want me to be happy with you, better go and bring him back and settle with him. I am very serious, Evelyn. I am serious.
Sis, please, let me be going inside. Because I know that if I keep staying here now, you keep causing me trouble.
The hunger that by the time hunger wire you, it is not somebody that will teach you a lesson. You never learn. Just be wise like your sister. Wise up. Don't worry, I'll teach you everything.
Good morning, sunshine. See how cute you look, sleeping like a baby. I made breakfast, okay? When you're up, try and have it before rushing to work. I'm going to have a very, very busy day today, so I'll see you much later.
Wait. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I'm taking advantage of you. I mean, this was not what we agreed now. You said just neighbors with benefits. The other day, you sent a dispatch rider to my office with lunch. Now you're giving me breakfast in bed. I don't want to sound selfish, but I think you're doing too much.
Tyrone, you never asked. Okay? And I know I'm not stupid. Even after having sex with you without protection. Tyrone, I love you. I know you're not using me, and you just have to know I love you and I can't help it. I can't. All I'm asking you for is to love me back. Is it too much to ask?
It's okay. I'll eat it. Alright?
Are you sure?
I will. Just go to work, okay? Go do your thing today. I'll eat it, yeah.
I promise.
Of course.
Okay. I'll see you much later. Bye, babe.
Bye.
Bye.
Friend.
Cause I've made up my mind, I'm not going down this lane again. But I said something different. Cause you keep running through my mind all day. Your smiles light up my world, and my heart was warm.
Hi, sis. Good morning.
You know this morning will be so good if you make it up with him. He'll be here any moment from now to pick up his car. Listen, we do not want this embarrassment. You and I, we cannot afford to have this embarrassment. The neighbors, they will laugh at us. They might even make videos and send to social media.
Sis.
Apologize to him, okay?
Sis, please. I'm done with him. I'm done. I'm tired. Or better still, you should befriend him.
Listen, Evelyn. You know that it's you he wants. He's in love with you, not me. You and I know this. He has made it clear to us. He makes it clear to us every time.
Sis, I'm done with him, please. You're pushing me to where my heart don't even desire. Don't you want to see me happy?
Of course I want to see you happy. I single-handedly trained you in school. I bet you do not want to know what I went through. What I went through to make sure that I see you through school and take care of our parents.
Sis, it's not like that. You know, I don't like it when you go down the memory lane. Okay, fine. I will, when he comes, I will make it up. I will make it up to him. I promise you. I mean, please, if he can just make you happy, I will do it.
You will?
I will.
Please reconcile with him, okay? Make him feel comfortable. Make him feel at home with you.
Okay.
Alright? Until we're done with what we want him for, we can discard him. Okay. Think about what 3 million naira can do for you and I. I can use that 3 million naira to facilitate our traveling document. Aren't you tired of living in Nigeria? If you're not, I am. We can use that money and travel out, relocate to Canada or something. I mean, just the two of us, our parents are late. Why do we have to get stuck in Nigeria?
Sis, I've heard you. I will. I will talk to him, okay? I will. I promise, I will. Just stop crying.
I won't cry again. It's okay.
I want to have my bath.
Okay. So you just go have your bath, okay? So that by the time he gets here, everywhere will be all, smooth and you get what I mean?
Yes, I do.
Alright, so I'm just gonna prepare something for you to eat, okay? Alright? Okay. Go now, quickly, go now.
I will.
First and foremost, can I have my car keys? Then we can talk about this house.
Babe, are you breaking up with me? It's been 2 weeks. You couldn't even call to check up on me. That's not nice.
Obviously, yes. Because I've been the one making efforts to make sure I sustain this relationship while all you do is give me excuses and attitude.
It's because I didn't see my period. And I was concerned about what you think. I was scared.
And when I found out she was pregnant, I called you. I called you countless times, but you didn't take my calls and you didn't even return them. She was too scared to tell you because she didn't know how you were going to take it.
Did you just say you're pregnant?
Yes, that was what I wanted to tell you the last time you came here. But all you wanted was just sex. You didn't even give me any room to speak. See, he doesn't even care about me. He doesn't love me anymore. And he claimed he does.
Please let me beg her. I never knew. I left in anger that day. She didn't even call me. I was expecting her to call.
And now you've appeared to take back everything that you gave to her. She didn't call you because her phone had issues. She called you with my phones, but you didn't pick up.
Oh.
And then you just here now, you were about to take your car key and then eject us out of this house.
I am sorry. I am deeply sorry. Please let me talk to her.
It's not how you act when you have a misunderstanding with the woman you love. You just come out, you want to take everything from her. That's not nice now. That's not fair. If you can take the car key. It's okay. It's fine. You can keep it.
Excuse me. I think I'm being deceived.
Deceived by
Hold
who?
on.
Deceived by who? Who is deceiving who? Are you talking about my sister?
How do I make it up to her?
She's in there. You can make it up to her anyhow you like. She's been crying because of you. You know, she's a pregnant woman. They need to be pampered and not harassed. So you can go and meet her.
Let me.
Just, pamper her. Make sure she's fine. What?
Yes, Chief. Have you gotten the clothes? Okay, did you try them yet? I know they will fit, sir. Yes, I know my job well. Yes. Oh, Madam likes it too. Okay, that's good. Chief, you haven't, done my balance. Based off you're my customer, that's why I did it for you. Okay, thank you very much, sir. Yes, the same account. Yes, thank you so much, sir. Why would you trust my work? You can't complain.
Listen, it's not that I'm greedy or selfish or anything. I just want what is best for us. I know that you don't like him. I know you don't like him. Okay? You're just sacrificing this for your well-being. For our well-being. Okay?
Sis, to be honest, I don't really like this life I'm living. Most especially the lies. It's eating me up.
His birthday is coming up. So I want us to do something to surprise him. Let's make him a cloth. Let's say senator. Yeah, every man likes senator. Let's make him senator and use that to surprise him. Let's win his heart. It's very important we win his heart so that he can do everything you want. As you're asking it, he's doing it.
I'm not interested though, if you ask me, but since that's what makes you happy, it's fine.
Don't worry, it's going to be okay. It's going to be in your name, okay? That way he'll be very happy and excited, right? I know this guy on Instagram. Where's my phone? Yes, right. I could just, yeah, he's very good. He makes lovely outfits. In fact, I might even say he's better than you, casual. But right, yeah, he's very good. Like he's that good. So we should just hit him up. Hold on, let me show you. I don't know where my phone is. So yeah, we can just find out where he is and then make the senator and surprise him with it, right? Yeah. Okay. Listen, I'm finalizing our documents. Very soon, we are going to leave this country. Before you know it's vamp. We don't jabber. We don't leave this country. Okay? So don't worry. Don't bother yourself about anything. Okay? This will be over very soon.
That's if it doesn't put me in a family way, or better still, get me infected with a terminal disease.
Be positive, Evelyn. None of that is going to happen, you know? Just a little while. All this will be over, okay?
It's fine.
Be positive. Stay positive. Sharp up, my girl. Look at you. It will be over. Come on. What are you doing here?
This is my office. I'm a fashion designer.
Oh, wow. So it's you. I see a lot of your works on Instagram.
Oh, really?
That's how I got your address. I didn't know it was you.
Well, small world.
Wow. I didn't know I was seeing you.
Please sit down.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So, how can I help you today?
Well, I see you're doing very well for yourself.
Yeah, we thank God.
Yeah, please keep the good work going and avoid bad women. Yes, bad women.
You know what they say now, once bitten, twice shy.
Right.
But it's okay. So, okay, what do you want me to do for you?
Senators.
Okay.
Right.
One second, let me just check that, okay? Yeah.
Oh, hello.
Hi.
I'm Evelyn. I came to show you my snacks and also give you a flyer. I saw snacks.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nice. Do you have something I could try?
Oh, yeah, sure. This will go. Hold on. Can try this. I have sorry. 1 second.
Okay.
Yeah. Nice.
It's nice.
Thank you.
Mm.
I'm a chef as well. You can order stew, soup, and anything. Just name it. My God, you like it.
Well, I have a guest.
Okay.
I would like you to, I would like her to try it.
Oh, yeah, sure. I have enough.
Okay, let me just keep the rest in here.
Okay, then.
Come on.
All right.
Sorry about that.
Big sis, you're here.
Yes.
I came to show him my snacks and give him my flyer.
Oh, wow. He's the guy I told you about that I saw off Instagram.
You know each other?
Yes. He's the Instagram guy I told you about. Yeah, that's who sold the senator. Yeah, she's my younger sister.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thank
I was just about to let you try some of our snacks. I had one outside and it was good.
Oh, yeah, she's good at it.
You don't need to try it anymore. You already know.
Yeah.
That's nice. Okay, so yes, senators, you said. So elderly guy, I assume. I'm guessing this.
Yeah, this too will be great.
Okay, this too.
Yeah, it will be great.
Okay, so do you want it in the same color and material, or do you want it to be different?
Yeah, same color, same fabric. Yeah.
Okay. All right, but maybe it's pricey.
Please
I
don't slice
can
our
show you
throats.
receipts if you want.
Do not slice our throats.
It's quality you want, don't you?
Right.
The measurements. Yes, I also need his measurements.
I have his picture. I can show you. I hope that will work.
Oh, but that's still, I can get a dress and would that be fine?
That's perfect.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
I'll
a surprise for her fiance.
Oh, how sweet. Okay, yeah, get me his dress so I can get his exact measurements.
Okay, that's fine.
Wow, it's good to have you both here.
I know. Wow.
Hey, so how long have you been doing your food thing?
Oh, for the past 2 years.
2 years.
Yes,
Wow.
2 years.
And how's it going?
It's going well. It's going well.
Okay.
Yes.
So aside snacks, do you do other things?
Yes, I'm a chef. I cook.
Oh, like
Yeah,
food too?
food. Yes, exactly.
The fabric. Yeah.
Okay, so it's
Yeah, there's this form I'm just trying to fill online.
sis, sorry, but how well do you know that guy?
Who? The designer?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, well enough to give him part payment. Why? You like him? Oh, I see you like him.
Is he likable? I mean, he seems nice though.
See, let me give you sisterly advice. See that route you want to take? Come out from there. Come out from there gingerly, okay? Do you know what they call beautiful ambulance? A time-ticking bomb. That's what it is. So don't even dream it. Don't think it with him, except you want your dead body to be found in an ambulance. Okay? Let's finish handling Downlady first, okay? Please.
Sis, just relax. Nothing of that sort is going to happen.
Okay.
I mean, I just asked because he's a nice person though. Yeah, and the part you said, this story isn't necessary, please. I was just asking because, I'll be supplying him food and snacks and all that stuff. So I just wanted to know the kind of person he is and that's all.
Better for you. It's better you focus on that business you want to do with him. Just focus on the business and keep your heart away from him, please. Okay?
It's fine.
You'll give me your international passport tomorrow morning. Okay, I need to submit our documents tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why I even came to tell you there's this form I'm filling, so you need to give me your information.
Are you going through the embassy or are you going through an agent?
Embassy, straight. Yeah, I don't do agencies. I don't trust them, so I'm filling all the forms by myself. Everything by myself. Yeah.
Okay.
So give me your.
Alright.
Send these things to me.
I must confess, her presence caught me off guard. She's so beautiful. Oh my days, and breathtaking too. But why am I thinking about her when she has a fiancé? But I felt butterflies just looking at her, and her smile was golden. Oh God, why are the good girls taken? Every time I say hello, they say goodbye. Evelyn, you got me tripping.
I think I'm in love
Damn.
again. From the first day I set my eyes on you, I felt something beautiful. Could this be love, what I'm feeling? How could this be? Cause I've made up my mind, I'm not going down this lane again. But I felt something different. Cause you keep running through my mind all day. Your smiles light up my world and my heart was warm. Every moment with you is a dream come true. Oh, love is beautiful. My love is here to stay with you. Oh, love is beautiful. We'll be together forever. Oh, love is beautiful. My love is here to stay. Love is here to stay. Love is beautiful. We'll be together forever. Every time without you, I feel so breathless, breathless. With you by my side, I feel so strong. And my love is here to stay. Let nobody put us under. I've come to realize you are the one meant for me. So come rain, come sun, I will be there for you. Oh, and let nothing put us under.
You know your sister will never accept that. So keep away.
Babe, you don't get it. Do you know that I dreamt of this guy? We made love in my dreams. Oh my God.
Girlfriend! What's going on? Are you that shameless and cheap? Having sex with this guy in your dream already? You know what? It's not a dream. It's actually your imagination playing tricks on you. You better wake up.
My dear, that guy is my spec. You know how I am with fair guys now. Oh my God, that guy is cute.
Well, I understand. But what about Dan? Alakija Dan.
Yeah, don't spoil my mood though. Don't just spoil my mood. You know I don't like that man. You know it. I just did all that because of my sister and that's it.
Well, Alakija Dan loves you. He will take care of you. He will do practically anything for you. I wish I had someone to take care of me like that.
Really? Nobody likes liability. I mean, okay, just imagine now, tomorrow, he stops giving you money and you're just there. What will you do?
There is nothing like that. The Alakija I know is capable of taking good care of you. So you don't have to stress yourself about all this. He's actually God sent to you and your family.
Really? Please just change the topic, I beg. His name alone is just irritating.
Says the person who is dying for the guy she just met yesterday. Yesterday, oh!
Anyways, if that guy is to ask me out, babe, one hand, I will say yes. Capital yes.
You're joking, right?
No.
You're joking. You're not serious. Ha! I mean, I don't know you again. What has this guy done to my friend?
Love.
Hey, what's wrong with me? Why do I keep thinking about this girl? She has a fiance now. You know what? I cannot help myself again. I have to follow my heart.
Hello.
Hi, am I speaking to Evelyn?
Yes, you are. Please, who's this?
Yes, this is Tyron. My name is Tyron.
Oh, this is Tyrone. How may I help you? Do you want more snacks or food?
I mean, it will be a pleasure to eat from your kitchen, so I hope it won't be a hard task.
Okay, so I have a bowl of soup, which is a goosey soup, which is 12,000. Same goes with other soup. And then a bowl of chicken stew, which is 15,000. Which do you prefer?
All right. See, you can bring anything, by the way. Anything you think I would like, then that's fine. Just send me your account details, okay? I'll do the transfer.
Oh, okay. So that will be chicken stew and egusi soup.
Okay, that's fine then. I have a confession. I actually just wanted to hear your voice. Forgive me.
Confession accepted. Matters of the heart. Anyway, it's fine. See you by this time tomorrow then.
All right, bye.
My first client with the sauce.
Please sit down.
My client!
I don't know what's wrong with you. Really?
This is good.
I felt something beautiful.
What's that?
Could this be love?
Chief, come. Hey, please come. Let me quickly take your measurements.
Cause I've made up my
just write it in my phone.
But I
Let's do
felt
your back.
something different. Cause you keep running through my mind all day. Your smiles light up my world and my heart was warm. Every moment is a dream come true. Oh, love is beautiful. Love is here to stay with you. Oh, love is beautiful. We're about together forever. Oh, love is beautiful.
Oh, you're back. Tyrone, what is wrong with you? You've not been picking my calls nor returning. Tyrone.
I didn't see any call. Says, what are you doing in my house? I don't remember giving you the key.
Oh, don't embarrass me, Tyrone. Anyways, I went to the grocery shop and I made something for dinner. Do you want me to save you now or when you have your bath?
I don't remember having that discussion with you.
Besides, why 2 glasses? Do you have plans of getting hot with me tonight? I miss you. I'm so horny. I miss you so much, Tyrone. I can't wait to have you. Oh!
Who's that? Shut the door when you leave, huh?
So she thinks I'm a fool. Do you know what I've done for them? Especially that ingrate.
See, Daladi, it's because I love you. That's why I'm doing all this. She doesn't deserve you. She doesn't love you. If I don't care about you, I won't have recorded our conversation.
See, for doing this alone, I'll give you 500,000. I was going to their place to give her this money to assist her in her kitchen business. But I'm going to give it to you.
Oh my God.
It's a loss. It's
Thank
a
you
loss.
so much.
It's a loss.
Thank you so much, my love. Thank
It's a
you.
loss.
She's in love with the guy making clothes for you. From the conversation I had, I think they're meeting up tomorrow. She's going to cook for him tomorrow. She's so mean. After all the love and care you showed to her, she did all this to you. No?
I don't want to get angry. Let's just go to my apartment. I will so change your life. Do you have international passport?
Of course I do.
Because I will take you to Dubai. We will cruise in Dubai instead of her.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Daladi! Alaji Daladi!
She will understand what she just missed.
You see, can you imagine? That girl is on a grateful friend.
You know, she told me she was pregnant for me. So I intended to take her to Dubai and shop for her, including our baby.
Pregnant? Ha! Don't believe anything she say. She's not pregnant. She was never pregnant. Oh, pregnant girl, pregnant me. She's not pregnant. Don't allow her to deceive you. She never even loved you. Pregnant. She's not pregnant. Calm down, my love. I love you, even if she doesn't love you. I myself, I love you. And I will take good care of you. All I just need is a little chance for me to prove how much I really love you. I love you. It's fine.
Please, go away. I said I don't want to see you.
Tyrone, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for not discussing with you before doing this. I made this for the both of us, okay? I'm sorry. I love you. Stop treating me like a trash, Tyrone.
I'm not angry at you. I just don't want to eat your food. So please, just leave my house and drop the keys on your way out.
Tyrone, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to offend you. Please open the door. Open the door now.
Good night.
Tyrone.
He's sleeping. Good night. Tyrone has gone to bed.
This is very crazy at this point. Just go back downstairs. I'll sleep downstairs.
No, now. Come on. Come on. Are you for real? Did you sleep here? Why didn't you just go home?
Darren, good morning. Oh, Darren. Good morning. Darren, why are you doing this to me? I love you so much, Darren. I can't leave you. I love you so much. I can't do without you, for real. Why do you see me as a trash? I love you. My mind, my soul, my body, everything belongs to you.
Okay, we're not going to go through this route again. We had an agreement. A neighbor's agreement. Friends with benefits. No emotions attached. What are you doing?
But then I'm already in love with you. Don't you see it? Don't you get it? I've told my people about you. I've told my mom. I've told everyone about you. Darren, my mom is a honorable. She's a member of the Lagos State House of Rep. Please don't let me down, Darren. My mom wants to meet you. Please. And my birthday is on Saturday. Please, would you come? Don't let me down. Don't say no. Would you come?
Okay, now you're trying to manipulate me and harass me and I don't like it. I regret doing this thing with you, honestly. That was not the deal now. Listen, I don't love you. I can't give you the love that you want. Please, just leave. I don't think we should continue this thing, honestly.
I love you, please.
Okay, we'll talk when I come back from work. I have to go now. Please, just leave.
Just know that I love you so much. Please, I really do love you.
Please, let me go to work first. We'll talk about this, please.
Hello, girlfriend. What's up?
Hello, babe. What's up? Where are you at?
I'm at home, but I'm a little bit under the weather. Are you outside? What are you up to, girl?
Anyways, I'm going to a supermarket. You know, I have a new client and I want to get some food stuff for him. I'm even behind time.
Okay. Just tell me where you are. I'll meet you up.
Oh, okay. Our usual superstore. I've been having butterflies since I saw that guy.
Oh, Dan?
What's your problem? You just like spoiling my mood. I told you I do not love that Dan. I just did it just because of my big sister. And you know that. Please, please, please don't ruin my mood again.
Babes, take it easy, oh. Don't hurt down like this. You know that guy loves you. Please don't hurt down because of that. Him. You know your sister, she won't find it funny at all.
Please, please, please. I'm done pleasing him and my sister. That's not even what's on my mind right now. Anyways, I'm on my way out. So if you like, you can join me. If you don't like, leave. That's your business. See you. I'll meet you there. Bye.
Babes, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's fine. It's just so funny, but it's all good.
My love, you don't have to be sad. I will take care of you. I love you. You're my king. So you don't have to give a fuck about what she says, okay?
Okay.
You know how much I love you. Okay.
No problem.
So you don't have to care about her. Don't care about it. Don't care about it.
Hey. Give my key. Give my key. What's wrong with you?
Babe!
What will you?
Sarah! Babe! Babe, please! Babe! 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 Babe, just put it on, please! Sarah! Babe! Hello? Big sis! Dana's collected the car from me! I'm coming home!
You brought this upon yourself. Do you hear me? I tried so hard for us to leave this country in peace, but you thought I was stupid. Just wait a little while. A little while so that I can secure our visas and then we move. No! You felt you knew better than me.
Sis, for how long will I continue treating infections? For how long will I continue taking abortion pills? You do not care about me at all. Why don't you date him? All he cares about is sex. I'm not a prostitute for crying out loud. He sees me as a sex machine, and all you can do is just sit back and calculate what you get from him. Did mom do this to you when you were younger? Did she?
Don't you ever open your stinking mouth to speak to me in that manner. I know what I went through, the sacrifices that I made just to see you through school. I know the things that I went through. So don't you ever open that mouth and spill rubbish. I was the burnt offering, the sacrificial lamb. That's what I became, just so that you all will survive. So the next time you open that mouth and speak to me about morals again, I will slap your dirty mouth. I'll slap it and shut it up for you. Instead of you to just pack yourself up, get up and think of what you can do to mend that your friend that sold you out. You're here crying. You're here crying blood. Spilling nonsense.
I need all my money, woman. And I'm done with your sister. You ladies took me for a fool.
Oh my God. You know, Daladi, you are so funny. You're here asking for your money? Demanding for money after you have defiled and raped my sister. You gave her infections back to back. You're here demanding, what money are you asking for? What are you asking for?
Oh. Now I get it. You think you're smart. One thing you don't know, this house is still in my name.
Oh, please.
You won't lose this house, and I need my 3 million naira. If not, I will disgrace you in this Lagos. I won't fight you, but you'll cry blood.
Look at who is talking. An ex-convict. An ex-convict who still pimps girls in Libya. You think I don't know you? Where is Yetunde? Ireti? Chichi? Should I go on? Listen, bro, I have your records, okay? I have video evidences. Wait, what do you do for a living again? Remind me. What do you do for a living? You see, bloggers are going to feast on you. When they hear Yetunde's family side of the story, how you pay them 20 million naira to keep them silent. You don't want to mess with me. I work with the DSS, okay? So I have your full story. Go ask Prince Ara. Does that name ring a bell to you? I know your whole circle, so do not mess with me. I'll fuck you up in this Lagos. Nonsense.
This big ocean is too big for a small ship.
Oh, please try me. Try me. Go ask Prince Ara about stubborn Claron. See, you do not want to mess with me. If you hate yourself, I will cripple you with self-defense. Go ask about me. Leave.
You have 2 days.
Get out of this place!
Just 2 days. If not, you will feel the heat.
Get out of this place! I don't even know who let you in. Get out!
I am so done with you, fool.
Oh, you are the bigger fool! Get out! Leave! Nonsense. Who even let you into this place? Who let you in? See your life? You see your life? You see your life? Continue.
You finally came.
Oh, yes. I'm so sorry for coming late. I mean, I had something doing.
It's okay.
Can I hold you, please?
Like my hand?
Yes. I like you so much. I'm not taken, but I want to be taken by you. Do you have a girlfriend?
No. I don't. You know, it's crazy you mentioned that because I don't know, I've been thinking about you so much recently. Last night I couldn't sleep because I kept thinking about this smile of yours. I like you.
Thank you.
No, I should be the one thanking you. Ever since I met you, I don't know, it felt like my soul was revived.
Please do not hurt me. I don't like trauma. I can die.
I would never.
Promise?
Promise. You don't have to worry about that.
Can I hug you, please?
Sure.
I think I'm in love again. From the first day I set my eyes on you, I felt something beautiful.
So, what do you have for me?
What a feeling. How could this be?
Why are you looking at me like that?
I'm just happy. Your presence here is something that I'm happy about. It's like a dream come true. But your sister mentioned you are engaged. Is that true?
Okay. I had a boyfriend. I mean, but that was in the past though. I only did it because of my sister. Well, he's with my friend right now. And Big Sis isn't happy about it as usual. But I'm glad I am free from him. That's by the way. Ever since I met you, I couldn't stop thinking about you.
I can't explain it. I know it might seem so soon, but I'm in love with you. Now that I know that you desire me as much as I want to, then you don't have to worry about anything at all.
From the first day I set my eyes on you, I felt something beautiful. Could this be love? What a feeling. How could this be? Cause I've made up my mind, I'm not going down this lane.
I'm so happy.
But
I want to show you something.
Okay.
Some
Cause
things.
it keeps running through my mind all day. Your smile's like every moment with you is a dream come true. Oh my
God, babe! Easy. I'm waiting, I know.
You're not.
Together forever. Every time without you, I feel so breathless.
Mom, I don't know what to do. Mom, I love him so much. But he said he doesn't want our relationship anymore. Mom, I've tried my best. I've tried everything within my power, but still he doesn't want me. Mom, I gave him everything. I gave him my soul, my body, everything. We made love every night. And still, he said he doesn't want me, Mom. Mom, I don't know what to do. I'm tired. Mom, it's him I love. I don't want no other person. It's just him I want. Okay, Mom, I'm gonna stop crying, okay? Okay. Okay, Mommy. I'll talk to you later. I love you. Bye. Oh my goodness.
Strong. And my love is here to stay. Let nobody put us under. I've come to realize.
Do you think your sister will accept me? You know, considering she hooked you up with your last relationship.
My sister? Just leave her for me. Just leave it. I mean, I can handle her. She's my sister after all. But come to think of it, why don't you have a girlfriend? Or do you?
I had a bad experience. I don't want to talk about it.
It's fine. I can understand if you don't want to say anything. I mean, it's your past and all we can do is just learn from it. Right?
I came back from a trip unannounced. And I caught her having sex with someone else. The guy and I had a fight. In the end, well, it was crazy.
Babe, I'm so sorry, okay? I mean, you have me now and I wouldn't do that. Trust me, I wouldn't. Anyways, my sis would be very shocked if she found out about, the both of us. But it's fine, I can deal with her.
I could talk to her for you if you let me.
Babe.
I want to love you without any reservation. Let me talk to her. See, no other woman will see my naked body. I can promise you that.
Babe.
You're the most important woman in my life. The number one. The envy of all. So please, let me talk to her. I want her to understand how much I feel for you.
Babe, no. I will talk to her. She's my sister. And besides, I want to do it when the atmosphere at home is calm. She gets.
Okay.
It's fine. Anyways, let me start going. Big sis will be waiting for me at home.
Okay, let me drop you now.
Okay. My phone.
I'm glad you came over.
Right? You missed me?
I miss you every day.
Where are you coming from?
Sis, good evening.
Good evening, you there. Where exactly are you coming from? Who dropped you off? Where do you think you're coming from?
A friend dropped me off.
A friend? You think I'm stupid? No, you are beginning to think that I am stupid. See, you will not see that boy again. If you love yourself, you will not see him again. What is wrong with you?
I beg your pardon?
No, you will continue to beg pardon the rest of your life. Go back to that landing and make up with him. I'm telling you now. Go back to him and make up with him until our visa comes out. What is wrong with you? Don't you understand?
Sis, over my dead body. And you never go back to him. Don't you have conscience? And even if our dead parents were to come here right now and tell me the same thing, I won't go back to him.
Oh. Right? Hey! You will come back here, I'm not done. I am not done talking to you. Listen, and listen good. 3 million naira, you see that 3 million naira, I'm not ready to give it back to him. And I'm not ready for a fight. So you better pack yourself, put yourself together, and go and make up with him, okay?
I didn't ask you for any visa, sis. I am okay with the little hustle I'm doing. And you work as well. What's happening? What's all this? We are not in any competition with anybody, and you know it. Let's take things easy, sis.
I am done talking. I am done talking, okay? You better go and make up with him. You see these your wings that you're growing, that you have grown. I'm going to slice them. Oh, it's like you've forgotten who your sister really is. You've forgotten who your sister is, right?
Sis, do not threaten me. I'm no longer a child.
You are not a child. But you live here under my roof. You are not a child.
Sis, do not raise your hand again on me. Don't.
If I do what?
Damn it.
Oh. Wow.
All right. What do you want?
Why are you holding me from going inside? Oh, is it because of her? I saw her already. So you've been ignoring me because of her. Tyrone, who is she?
That's none of your business. What are you even doing here? What do you want? What do you want?
Baby, I just came to see you. I can't do without you. I've been thinking of you. I love you, Tyrone. I love you. I can't do without you. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Is it a crime to love you?
I don't need anything from you. Please, you have to leave now.
Tyrone, it's never going to work. You think you want to throw all that sweetness, all the goodness away? It's never going to work. Tyrone, what does she have that I don't have? Is she more beautiful than I am? Tell me. Tell me, Tyrone. See, I get there. You don't know who I am. Tyrone, I'm a multi-millionaire. I'm a multi. I have so much money. I could do everything for you. Just tell me I could take care of you, Tyrone. Just give me the chance to. Give me the chance to love you. Okay?
I see it was a mistake getting involved with you. I don't need anything from you. I don't need your body. I don't need your money. I don't need anything. So please just make yourself scarce before I call the police on you. You're harassing me.
Oh, good afternoon, madam.
You must be the young man my daughter is so much in love with and is toiling with her emotions. Young man, what color is the problem that is harassing you that cannot be harnessed with money? Are you not tired of counting in thousands? Anyway, you are lucky that my daughter is in love with you because your life is about to change.
First of all, madam, I am not for sale. Also, for record purposes, I don't toy with anybody's emotions. And you might as well start with an introduction. I don't even know who you are.
I am not here to negotiate with you. My daughter's heart is delicate. Don't make her cry again. I might not be this friendly.
Is this because of Ivy? Why don't you ask her to tell you the truth?
I understand that both of you have been sleeping with each other. My princess doesn't sleep with any man she's not in love with. This is $10,000. Your life is about to change.
Madam, I do not need your money. Madam, I don't need your... Very good.
Hey.
Take.
Hey.
Tell your mother that I am not for sale. Okay?
Babe, You don't need to talk that way. Is this money too small? I could make it $100,000. If it's too small, I could triple it to 300, 200. So any amount you would just name your price. Darren, I love you. I love you so much. Please. I could do anything. Anything for you. Okay?
Are you joking?
I know I'm not.
I said I don't want your money. I don't want your money and I don't want you. Get that into your head.
Hello, Mom. He said he doesn't need me or my money. He locked me outside his apartment. I honestly don't know if he's gonna accept this money. I don't know. This guy don't like me. You know what, Mom? I'll call you back.
And how you doing?
Were you the girl I saw last night? Huh?
You're a good neighbor, so nice observation.
Who are you to him? Tell me.
I beg your pardon?
You know what? He's way out of your league, okay? You're not the first, not the second, not even the third girl that will come flocking around him. He's only gonna use you and dump you, honey. Don't you get that? I'm just trying to advise you so you know your place, okay?
Oh, I smell jealousy. Advise me. Keep that advice to yourself.
You know my hands could actually size your face if you don't watch your mouth. If you don't mind how you talk to me, these hands, I'm gonna forget it in your face. So you better be careful.
Try that and you see what I will do. What the hell?
What's going on? What's happening?
Babe, I don't know. Some miscalls.
Is everything okay?
Some nuisance. Hi, babe.
Hi. We're good. Let's go in. Not bad, not bad.
Hey, she loves you. I can see it in her eyes. She really loves you.
Babe, come on. I already told you. Nobody can come between us, okay? I promise.
But you slept with her, didn't you?
Yes, I did, but it was a friends with benefits thing. There was meant to be no feelings attached. All of a sudden, they are saying something else now.
I'm a lady, so I can understand. I can really see it in her eyes. Please, I don't want any drama. If you know you do not like me, I will take a bow. And I'll leave.
Why are you speaking like that? It was an agreement. No emotions attached. All of a sudden, she's saying something else. Her mom came to my office today and was offering me $10,000 to date the daughter. I returned it. Like, what kind of rubbish is that?
You did?
Yeah.
Please, my heart is so fragile. Please do not hurt me.
I won't ever. Okay?
Okay.
Just trust me.
Hey, do you know what my sister saw us last night? She even slapped me. Just because I didn't wish to get back to my ex. And also because I love you. I mean, can't I eat a piece of cake without any stress? Ah, jeez.
It's okay. I'm here for you. Even if they give me $20 billion, I'm not going anywhere. Okay?
And you know, my sister is just on my neck. And to top it all, my ex-boyfriend is demanding the $3 million he gave to her. And she refused to give him back. And also, she's been trying to do a visa so we can leave this country and for...
Wait. Leave this country? You're leaving this country? What about me? What about us?
Hey, do you want me to go? So maybe you can go back to your neighbor and maybe my sister too will also be happy about it.
Hey, stop saying that. I'm here for you. Okay?
Okay.
I need you, please. Sincerely, I do. You know what? I could talk to your sister. You know, she's the one that helped me out when I was meant to go to jail. So
The ex-convict that almost killed the guy because of his girlfriend.
I did not almost kill him. He attacked me, so I protected myself. I didn't know the punch would knock him out. Thank God that your sister intervened and wrote my name for presidential amnesty.
Wow.
I owe her a lot.
I know, right? Babe, are you sure I'm the only girl in your life? Like, you really, really love me. I mean, because your neighbor is all over you, her mom is offering you money and...
Shush. I love you. And I'm not gonna leave you. Alright? You are my life. So please, don't leave me. Now let's order something to eat because I'm actually starving. Yeah, come now. I want to place my order.
My daughter told me you returned and rejected the money I gave you. Perhaps you've not realized that I don't take no for an answer. This is $200,000. So fix yourself. I'll be hosting the governor in my house on Sunday. They are coming to meet with you for proper introduction. You will move in with my daughter into my building in Banana Island, while we make arrangements for the wedding, which is coming up very soon.
You don't just barge into my house and start ridiculing me with your money.
I own this estate.
I don't care. I pay my rent. What I had with your daughter was consensual. We had an agreement, no feelings attached. So what's all this rubbish for?
She agreed to roll with you because she is in love with you. You can't use and dump my daughter for another. You slept with her every night for 3 weeks. She fell for you and here you are messing up with her feelings. Don't make this hard for me. And don't make it ugly for yourself. And you, don't step your foot into this house again. If I see your shadow 2 poles away from this place, you will regret your miserable life.
Enough! What kind of rubbish is this? Why will you come into my house and start insulting my girl?
I understand how you feel. Don't keep us waiting.
Please take your money and yourself and get out. Get out. I'm so sorry.
Hey, hello. Where are you coming from? For 2 days now, I haven't seen you in this house. I called you severally. You did not take my call and you did not return them. Where are you coming from? Hey, I'm talking to you. Come back here. Evelyn! Evelyn, come back here. I'm talking to you. Oh, okay. Okay. She's growing wings. Yeah, she's really growing wings. I see what is happening here. Okay.
Hey, get out! Get out! My khakis!
What khakis?
My khakis! Get out! Get out! Get out from here! I don't understand! Shut up! Get out!
Oh my God! My face!
I warned you not to drive that car, that I'll get a new one for you.
Babe, she threatened me. She threatened that she was going to pour acid on me. She slapped me. She gave me a very dirty slap. Not only that, she said that she's also waiting for you. See, babe, you have to chase them out of that house. Yes, you have to chase them out of that household. And also teach them a big lesson for insulting your girlfriend on the road.
Will you keep quiet and let me reason? I have a lot going on in my head now, and she's the least of my problem. You can as well get out of here. I don't care. But for now, I don't want to hear all this.
Okay, I'm sorry. It's just that she slapped me. I'm sorry. She disgraced me.
See, I don't think there is any reason going back and forth. Just get out of my sight and do not call me again. Don't ever call my line again.
I'm sorry. Babe, I'm sorry. Babe. I said I'm sorry. Okay, fine, I'm sorry. I won't use the car again. Babe. Open the door. I'm sorry now.
I've made up my mind. I'm not going back. Cause I don't wanna feel the pains anymore. Now I know love is not meant for me. I don't wanna go down this lane again. Oh, I wish I could give it a chance. But the pains keep hurting me all day. I'm not falling for love, not anymore. I just want to be alone. I can't believe what I've been through. I don't want to go down this lane again. I don't want to love again. Just want to be alone. Just want to be alone on myself. I wish I could give it a chance, but not anymore. I've made up my mind, I'm not going back. Cause I don't wanna feel the pains anymore. Now I know love is not meant for me. I don't wanna hold. Oh, I wish I could give it, but the pains keep hurting me all day. I'm not falling for love, not anymore. I just want to be alone. I can't believe what I've been through. I don't want to go down this lane again. I don't want to love again. Just want to be alone. Just want to be alone.
Do you love me?
I wish I could give it a chance.
Alright. I love you so much. It's fine. It's fine, love. Good night.
I think I'm in love again. From the first day I set my eyes on you, I felt something beautiful. Could this be love? What I'm feeling? How could this be?
These past few days without you have been the darkest days of my life. Evelyn, you're the light of my world. I cannot live without you. I'm sorry with the whole drama with my neighbor, but she's in the past. You're my present and future, Evelyn.
Babe, that's our past, okay? I mean, everyone have a past. I also have mine. And I do not want to talk about it. Please. Her mother offered you $200,000 and she likes you. Why am I even here?
Marry me. Yes.
Babe.
I will treat you right. I'm faithful. Just say yes.
and let's live the rest of our lives together.
You lie, Tyrone. Never. You lie, you a big liar. Do you understand me? Never ever will my sister marry a murderer and an ex-convict like you. Never, not under my watch.
I am not a murderer and you know it.
I gave you a second chance. I saved you. Gave you a second chance. What do you do with it? Seduce women. Toy with your emotions and dump them. Listen, the man you fought with is dead, okay? Leave my sister alone. You get up, let's go home.
Never, sis. Never. Is it I stay with him or I kill myself? Or you think I didn't know? I know you got $20,000 from that politician. She paid you so I can leave him, but I won't.
My daughter is all I have. 2 years ago, she had an accident with her fiancé. 2 days to their wedding. Her fiancé died at the spot. And she went into coma for 5 months. She was pregnant. We lost the pregnancy. We almost lost her. But Mercy said no. Since she got back to Nigeria, she hasn't fallen in love with any man. Until she met this guy. They started sleeping together and she became attached because he looks like her ex. My daughter is mad over this guy. She hardly sleeps at night.
I understand how you feel, and I wouldn't want you to lose your only child. But what would you have me do?
My daughter is in love with Tyrone. He was responding positively. And their love was growing strong and smoothly until your sister came in. I want your sister off him. And I want you to make it happen.
Okay. It's not going to be an easy task at all because my sister is very stubborn. That one, she's a hard nut to crack. So it will cost you a fortune.
Name your price and I'll double it in dollars. 20K when it's done, then 20 for you. I learned you're seeking for visa for you and your sister. I'll give her full scholarship for her master's and her PhD. When she's done, I set her up with the oil and gas. Then I walk you through the corridors of power. I call the strong shots.
Okay. I was made to understand that you promised him $200,000, right? Don't worry. He owes me his life. I secured his release. Yes. Prepare for their wedding.
I think Abuja is okay.
Right.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah. I knew I could count on you. I'll be taking my leave.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you. Oh my God. Okay.
I just want what is best for you. I don't want you to end up with this ex-convict, a tailor. Why can't you understand? Listen, they are offering you, they are willing to sponsor your master's and your PhD in the States. Why wouldn't I take it? Why? You.
Stay away from my sister. Stop manipulating my sister, else I'll take you back to jail and bury you there. Ivy is pregnant. And you have a great fortune with them. They are willing to pay you $200,000. And then the rest of your life will be in paradise. Why can't you take it? Listen, I advise you take it and leave my sister alone, because you will never be my in-law. If you don't listen to me, I will take you back to jail. And I'm serious.
Leave my man alone. Why can't you just see me happy? Leave him alone. Is it I stay with him or I die?
Don't you dare touch her again. Don't you dare touch her or you won't like what I'll do to you.
Oh.
My lord.
Right.
Do you want to go?
Hey! You will stay away from her. Move away from her. You come here. Come over here. Come here.
It's not that deep now.
You will move away from her or I'll blow your brains off.
It's not that deep.
What? Will you leave her alone? Let's go home. Let's go home. Stay back. You better stay back.
Officer Claron. Drop that gun right now or you make me do it. Drop it. Drop it. Under Officer Claron. You are in a very big trouble. The evidences are overwhelming.
I called them! I can't even... You're my sister! You can't bear to see me happy! You're very wicked!
I just want what is best for you. You this ungrateful bitch! This ungrateful child! I just want what is best for you! Why can't you just listen? Why are you so daft? I'll deal with both of you. You call yourself my sister? I'll deal with you. I'll deal with both of you. Ungrateful, unreasonable idiots!
It's okay, babe. It's okay. It's okay.
I think I'm in love again. On the first day I set my eyes on you, I felt something beautiful.
It's okay.
Could this be love? What I'm feeling. How could this be? Cause I've made up my mind, I'm not going down this lane again. But I felt something different. Cause you keep running through my mind all day. Your smiles light up my world and my heart was warm. Every moment with you is a dream come true. Oh, love is beautiful. Love is here to stay with you. Oh, love is beautiful. We'll be together forever. Oh, love is beautiful. Love is here to stay. Love is here to stay. Love is beautiful. We'll be together forever. Every time without you, I feel so